Good boy. You're so smart. You're so smart. Okay.
There's the mirror.
Sammy, you should come next time.
Okay.
Okay.
When?
Up opposite aisle from us.
Watching your back, like you can't relax. You try to become, you look like a fool to me. Tell me why you had to go make things so complicated. I see it. I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand.
Ooh, we're coming at the stop sign.
Oh, fuck. No. Stephanie, have you ever witnessed a stop sign that if you turn right, you don't have to stop?
No.
Me
Here
neither.
it is.
Here it is. It says stop unless turning right. And we're like, what the fuck? So the first time I obviously stopped.
I think this person's going to stop too. See, look, he's stopping. Oh, no, he's going. He's going. Look at that.
That's turning right. That's so
See,
weird.
watch, look. Woo!
Oh my god, I'm such a badass.
You are a badass.
What are you getting? The grilled cheese with tomato and hash browns. Cause I'm fat. Sorry, my brain's gone today.
You mean golden brown hole?
So,
Can I get in that, please?
maybe.
Meth. Did you methamphetamine?
Yep.
Excuse me. Down. Down a bit. You're a baby. He doesn't want to get his feet wet 'cause he's a pansy. Good boy. Where you going, Ben? The back.
You would die.
We should pretend to fall out. Just kidding.
Bye.
Oh yeah. I would sit down, but I don't want to get my breeches. Whoa. If I would jump that, I'd be fine. Tuck and roll, right? Just gonna go with the box. I'm not gonna die. Everyone's gonna look at me like I'm a weird fuck.
You are weird.
I am weird. Put this in your vlog.
I am.
I'm gonna pretend like I'm holding something. I am holding something.
It's not really important. What sanity?
Sanity.
That's long gone.
I know. I do what I want.
I do what I want.
Surfboard. Oh my god. Nice. Ain't nobody love. I'm not limping outside.
That'd be a
It's
bad
not good
idea.
for my knees.
Horse poop.
You should step on it.
Good idea.
Interesting. See, when I was here last, everything was shut, so I never knew what time it was.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Oh.
I put like a quarter of a scoop in there.
No, like instant.
Oh.
Cutie. You're a good dog. You're so cute.
What's great?
You're such a good dog. I scratched my eye. It hurts. Really? Yeah. That's not cool.
Good boy.
Can I steal my leader out, please? Oh,
You must.
thank you. You're sweaty. Yeah, he's still like wide-eyed and stuff, but at least we have a chance that you won't fuck me off. Now he's chill. Like, oh.
So yeah, I got this, guys.
He's like, I was never excited.
Mm-hmm. It's like, I don't know what you all are so scared about, but, but it's cool. It's cool.
Don't itch your eyes. That's gross. Ew. Don't yawn at me. That's rude. Hi. Hi. You fat.
I'm sure there's a really good freeze frame in there.
Good.